I'm David Atkins. Paul Graham is assisting over there, waving his hand around. So, this is where we make it work. There we go. So, I'm here representing 3A Design, which is a consultancy business. We work with major operators building test environments for them for testing CPE and similar devices. And ICOtest, which is a test equipment supplier. So we're currently working, again, same kind of companies, supplying environments for testing product in shielded environments, Wi-Fi, etc., etc. So that's very much where we are at the minute. We have a range of installs at the moment. So on the left there, those are whole home environments. In that is all the equipment's required to run a house: LTE modems, Wi-Fi, extenders, hubs, etc., digital voice. And we're involved in the testing of all of those things. We supply the solutions to help those vendors and their operators actually test at that level. And we go all the way down to some very, very small Wi-Fi filters, depending on what we do. We have a modular approach. We try to provide the individual elements that build a system, and then from the 3A Design side, we try and provide the integration services to make that into an operating system that's automated. Very much focused on scale out. We want to provide continuous automated tests for your environments. So this feels like it'd be very important in these kind of applications. So we have a particular interest around test platforms, which would be obvious, but Paul comes from an environment in telco, and we have an interest there from private networks. We can see that we can bring a lot to this. There seems to be many applications for this, and talking to other people since Mobile World Congress, we can see applications for building the low-cost RU. I think we've got a particular interest in working with people in that space. We build electronics, we have our own manufacturing, and we're set up for small-scale prototype runs and things. So we're well set up to do some of this stuff, and I think we can bring something to the party for that. Experience of rolling out anything in industry is that if your system is based around Kubernetes, you probably have a problem because you can't get the people to roll it out for you, particularly in private and neutral networks. So we have to work out ways of providing solutions that will stand themselves up as far as possible, minimize the skill set to roll out solutions into the field. And automation is what we do. We're very interested in trying to find ways to make the rollout and deployment of these systems more efficient and more keenly beneficial to the market. And then we're looking to partner with anybody who's in a similar space. I've seen several slides today that make me think that there's an opportunity there, using what we've done already and developments we have going through at the moment, potentially funding. And then we're keen to exploit this in the UK and overseas, because feels to us like there's a massive market for getting this out there. So there you go. I've raced through, which for me apparently is legendary to come in under time.
Thank you.
Thank you.